2025 BMW 540X Drive in black on black colors. This one is not an M Sport, but that's okay. I'll show you this car rips just as much as the M Sport does. What a find, guys. G60 540i, not very common these days anymore. Replaces the outgoing G30 5 Series. And enough of talking, I'll show you quickly the interior of this car, and then we're gonna dive in straight into our favorite POV driving. So again, the purpose of this video is not full exterior and interior review, but it's got plenty of room. Let's see, no comfort access in the back anymore, as you just saw it firsthand. Very unfortunate, but very spacious sedan. Hop in real quick in here. Lots of room, given I got that seat pretty much all the way back. Very, very comfortable. Big moonroof. And this is my favorite part about this car, it's the cockpit of the driver. All right, guys, welcome to another POV drive. This time, ultra wide view of this 2025 BMW 540X Drive. What a machine, guys. This car is perfect blend of luxury and performance. It does not get better than this car if you want the perfect daily and perfect performance car. This car stock already rips, absolutely rips, and on top of it being quick, it also handles like a performance M car. And this is not even an M Sport pack. With M Sport pack, you get even better tuned suspension. A little bit stiffer, does better on corners. It is, in my opinion, better than M5 F90. I've test driven multiple of those, competition and base, and they're all super stiff. Yeah, they sound good. Yeah, they drive good, but do you really want to use an M5 for a daily? This car is way perfect as a daily than the M5 F90. Not even a slightest doubt in my mind about this, guys. The only thing for me personally, I like it a little bit. If I were to choose M Sport versus non-M Sport, I would definitely go the M Sport, because one, the looks, two, the tuning of the suspension. That's just, those two reasons are good enough for me. But other than that, let me show you some modes on here. So we're in Sport. Now we can hit personal, and then it relaxed my seat. Now it's really just gliding on the road. Super, super comfortable ride, guys. The way BMW suspension, without a doubt, better than any car manufacturer out there. It doesn't get as good as BMW. You can argue all you want. You know, Mercedes might have better interior, some debate. Audi, not a fan at all, but BMW always handles better. And now that I'm in non-sport mode, it's just like a very, very slow car. So let me show you just for the visuals. Efficient changes everything to this blue. Then we'll go to expressive. I don't even know what that, just changes the interior lights really. And then relax, automatically close the moonroof, and giving you this very minimalistic display here, if that's what you're into it. I'm kind of more into full sport. I can feel it stiffen up already. Alright guys, I think we're gonna cut it right here. There's a little bit of traffic. I don't want to make this too boring. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.